In this moment, right down here, downside to me seemed to be the right side, and that we were destined to have a long down bar. That Russian nuclear missile convoy in Moscow was hitting the wires and everything else, attributing to some of the downside that we had through here. And then all of a sudden, something changed. Let's see if you can notice what changed to predict that the bounce might be coming. Or if you're short, get out of something. If you only got one contract on, well, then you'd be out of everything. Right there. See the short come in? Not only a short, but a pretty big short, 100 contracts. How do we know it's 100? Because he's trying to get out with this gray line right here, which is anything 100 or more, we show out in open space here. So this is the short. This is the exit. You could see how the red laser went, or the laser went green to red, and the fact that it flipped the 60-minute also green to red, and then the market bounces. Then the pulses come in, longs come in, and the market rotates back down just a little bit. So it's important to kind of realize what you're anticipating, how to change your mind. It's not so much like, oh, didn't you see that? No, most of the people aren't going to see that. Most of the people don't have the opportunity to see that. And then those that do don't anticipate what it means, or they miss it. And that's why it's important to be around people that are watching the stuff that matters. And then where does it go and come out of? The PWAPs. So if we take it back a little bit, you could see right in here, right where my cursor is, it goes finally red laser to green laser on the 60-minute, which gives a little bit more comfort in the downside opinion, because then finally, over the last hour, there are more longs than shorts. So don't take that for granted and start using it, because it's been a nice step one, step two. Some use it step one, some use it for step two confirmation that the right side is either upside or downside based on more longs or more shorts on the 60-minute. I also notice with this mic, if I get too close, it's overdriven. If I have it further apart, it's a little bit clearer, I think. What I'm also going to start doing is some live videos on YouTube throughout maybe the night and at different times based on, what's going on. But for now, the highlight, when to know that a bounce could be coming.